Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Merry Christmas!
So we have inspection today.
Yeah, we do. That's why. Can you put that away, please?
We woke up hoping that the elves didn't do anything that bad, but look what they did.
Alright, let's find the elves.
Elf,
Ati's going to school. Already made her lunch, guys. And the elves is just sitting here in the tray. They're gonna watch the inspector.
so I said to them last night, what do you think the elves will you help to do? And he said for them to sit in the tree. His respect.
Yep. Alright, let's... Medyo ano ngayon, guys, malinis yung bahay.
Let's
Alright, let's open the chocolate.
I'm up to number 10. Is it number 10? Let's
Yeah,
count.
that's number 10. Yeah, today is the 10th of December. Alright, this is gonna be hard to open one hand. There you go.
Big window hat.
Yeah, it's in Bingo's hat. Good job. Oh! I can't get it.
And the hat.
I can't get it with one hand. Can you hold onto the camera? Hold like that. Like this. Like this. Can you hold like this? Yes, like that.
Boom, boom.
You go boom boom.
Yay!
You got
I love
a snowman with a
I
hat.
keep getting stars the whole time.
What did you get?
I got a star yesterday. I got a star the other day.
A what?
Star.
A star.
I got a star today. I got a star yesterday. I got a star the other day. I got
The same star?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Snowman. What magic? I'm snowman.
Elijah got the snowman with a hat. Ang dami nang na-open. It means na malapit na ang Pasko.
Masha, have you had a star?
Alright, put this back now, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, eat it and then we're gonna brush our teeth.
Alright.
Yes, swap. So, ate got a doctor's appointment, guys. Kasi, I wanna show you something. Meron siyang lump here. Ayan, meron siyang lump there, guys. Hindi namin... Yeah, they're all... Medyo lumiit pala. Bob! I thought it's getting bigger, but I wanna check that out. I thought it's a bruise. Kasi may bruise siya before. It's nawala. So, we're gonna go to the doctor after school.
It sounds like Lego.
Alright, eat that one and then we're gonna brush our teeth. And then get ready. So, good morning guys. Hindi pa ako naka-ready. Usually naka-ready na ako. Kaya lang kasi nagising ng maaga yung mga bata. So, I'm gonna get ready. And then, yes. Hello guys! We just dropped Ate to school. It's 8:57. So, oops. So, we have inspection guys. Wait lang. Look, nanginginig. Nanginginig. We have inspection guys. That's why me and Elijah going to the shop. We're gonna have baby China.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going guys. Okay, I'm gonna drive now. Okay?
Hi!
You're too loud. Where are we?
Shop.
Where are we doing the shop? What are you gonna have?
Marshmallow.
Huh?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow and
Coffee.
coffee. Dito kami guys sa Teacher Plaza. Bumili ako ng gift aid.
Pasta.
Regalo ni Veronica. Nasa school kasi si Veronica. Say hi.
Hey.
Hi guys! We're home! So, oh my god! So, we went to the shop and then hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog guys. But we just bought presents for Elijah, for Ate's teacher. Muntik na mahulog yung camera. Ay, naku. So, this is for her Japanese teacher, guys. So, mahilig siya sa mga Sanrio. So, we bought a this is so cute, a Hello Kitty water bottle. And then, pumunta ako ng Typo, guys. And then, tanggal ko na lang yung price. Yung mga price pa. I bought this 2025 daily diary, the Hello Kitty and Friends. Ang cute niya guys kasi ang dami mo masusulat sa kanya. So this is a diary, and then Lind chocolate, and then Veronica put some lollies. So iti-tape ko na to. Maaga kong pick upin si ate kasi we're going to the doctor. And then this is for her PE teacher. This is his present. So PE teacher niya guys. So lahat ng teacher niya binilang ko ng water bottle. So thin chocolate. Tapos ito guys, nakabalot na kasi. Pero pakita ko sa inyo. Ibalik ko na lang. Ano lang siya, decoration sa table. Ano siya, this. Ayan. Kasi PE teacher siya guys. So, mahilig siya sa mga trophy. Nakalagay, fake it until you make it. So, tanggalin natin yung prize. Trophy. Kakaalis lang actually nung nag-inspect guys. Talagang inantay ko siyang umalis bago kami umuwi. Wait lang. Ayan. So, pwede niya to ilagay sa ano niya. Sa table. Trophy. Ang mo rin magbalik. And then, Lind chocolate. Ayan. Ayan yung sa kanya. Ang hirap igaluhan ng lalaki guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano gusto niya sa buhay. And then, this is for her arts and performance teacher. Siya yung mga nagpa-perform, siya yung nag-aasikaso ng mga ano nila, performance. So, brown yung binili ko na water bottle kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung favorite ng color. And then, B, kasi yung apelyido niya is Barry. So, ano siya, notebook lang siya guys. So, pwede niya sulatan ng kung anik-anik to. Ayan. And then, Lind chocolate.
Lind chocolate!
So, that's for her PE teacher. PE teacher. Art and performance. Ito sa kanyang advisory, guys. Kasi sabi niya, favorite color daw ni Miss Travis is purple. So, purple na water bottle. And then, this one, guys. May price pa? Walang price. Good. Ano lang siya, crochet siya guys na flower. So, pwede niya ilagay sa table niya. Kasi may mga teacher. Yan, maganda to guys kasi hindi siya namamatay.
I love it, Mommy.
Yeah, I know, I love it too. It's purple as well. And then, meron din siyang Lind chocolate.
Lind chocolate.
And then, binilang ko siya ng diary. So, this is a really nice 2025 na diary. So, yan. Diba mga teacher kasi, although alam ko naman na may phone na, pero marami pa rin teachers na mas gusto na susulat. So, ayan. Ibabalot ko na to guys. Tapos, pwede niya na to ibigay bukas para andun pa lahat ng teacher niya. Kasi hindi ko sure kung nandun yung teacher niya ng Friday. So, sabi ko, bibilin ko na lahat today. So, yun. And then, magbabalot na rin ako ng mga regalo for the Christmas party. Marami pa rin nagtatanong kailan yung Christmas party. Sa Saturday guys. Sa Saturday na yung Christmas party. So, magbabalot na tayo ng mga regalo. So, kompleto na yung regalo namin. Nandito na yung sa mga nabunot namin. So, nabunot ko. Nabunot ni Neil. Ay, meron pa palang kulang yung nabunot ni Neil. Hindi pa pala kompleto yung regalo. Anyways, magla-lunch kami guys. And then, pipick upin ko na naman si Veronica ng mga 2:30. Kasi we're going to the doctor straight away.
Hi.
Say hi.
Bye-bye.
Hello guys! Good afternoon! It's afternoon na guys. I'm cooking spaghetti for dinner. Filipino style spaghetti guys. So, andyan ang ating meat and then the pasta. Sorry kasi pagkasundo ko kay Veronica, pumunta kami ng doctor guys. So, yung ano naman ng doctor. Yes guys. Ang sabi naman ng doctor guys. Thank you. Wala naman daw guys, sabi nung doktor, parang trauma lang daw kung baka nabangga daw si Elijah, hindi daw niya na, Veronica, baka hindi na lang daw niya napansin. But sabi ng doktor, after 1 month, babalik kami sa kanya kung nandoon pa, para ma-check. So, sabi niya, hindi naman daw worry, huwag daw mag-worry, kasi hindi naman daw sa bone. So sabi ko, is it under the skin? Kasi parang, feeling ko, kasi dati may bruise siya sa ilalim, so feeling ko trauma nga. Thank you. Okay. So, ayun guys. Dito magdi-dinner yung parents nila, so I'm gonna make dinner. So, we have this sauce. And after ng doctor appointment, pumunta kami sa Filipino shop ng mga batas. Say hi.
I don't ask my mom. Honey is blue.
Tongue lizard. It looks like it.
Hi, Dad.
Are you change your nappy? Change nappy. Oi, change nappy. Still wearing nappy. Ayan ang ating dinner, guys. So, naluto ko ng hotdog. Ilagay ko nitong sauce. Ano yung ating pasta. And then, meron tayong ganito. Instead of garlic bread. Dinner rolls. Lagay ko lang sa oven for 10 minutes. And, yeah. Luto na, guys! Ganyan yung tsura niya pag na-bake na, guys. So, in-sprinkles ko lang siya ng water and then sa oven for 10 minutes. The sauce is cooked. The pasta is cooked. And we are ready for dinner. Wala pa lang yung parents niya. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na sila. Okay, do you wanna try the pasta? Hey, you're so loud. Here you go. Hey. Naligo na yan, guys. Hindi lang nagbasa ng buhok. Kasi nagbasa siya ng buhok kahapon. Why did you have a shower early? What did you do? Oy.
Sitting by the fire, feeling oh so fine on this holy night. The Spirit guides us. All the stars they shine on this lovely night. We light up the world, forget our troubles for a moment. And every stranger is a friend, so let them join in. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare. It's Christmas time. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare. It's Christmas time. Blissful sight. We're singing heartfelt carols in the night. Warm embrace, the Spirit's bright.